Hi, I'm Ryan from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram notes turn gold. This is a cool new feature that Instagram has introduced, and it's likely inspired by the Olympics, bringing a bit of that winning spirit to your notes. So, let's get right into it. To create a gold Instagram note, you need to include certain keywords in your note. These keywords are specifically chosen to trigger the gold effect. Words like gold, goat, medal, Olympics, Olympian, podium, and victory are among those that can turn your note gold. Additionally, using certain emojis, like the gold medal emoji, will also activate this feature. When you write a note with any of these keywords or emojis, Instagram should automatically turn your note gold. It's a pretty straightforward process, and you don't need to do anything extra once you've included the right word or emoji. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. If your note doesn't appear gold on your device, you might want to try updating your Instagram app. Sometimes new features require the latest version of the app to work properly. Also, even if your note doesn't look gold to you, it might still appear gold to others who view it, so don't be too quick to assume it didn't work. Overall, this feature is easy to use and a fun way to make your notes stand out. A lot of users are already enjoying it, so give it a try and see how it works for you. Thanks for watching this quick guide on how to make your Instagram notes gold. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. See you later.